How I make this text effect. Select a text tool and write your text. Double-click on text layer. And select color overlay yellow, click on inner shadow. Copy more same settings of inner shadow. Add another inner shadow but it's white. Copy same settings. Move on to the last step. Click on drop shadow. Follow the same settings. Add some glow on text. Create a new layer. Blending mode is screen. Make a soft brush and apply slightly on the text. And also remove extra by using eraser tool. Your text effect is ready now. If you want a text effect PSD, simply comment text PSD. I will share in your DM.